We get asked all the time who you can bring to your divorce consult. And the answer is that the consult between you and your attorney should just be you and your attorney. Often people want to bring third parties to their divorce consult. Sometimes it's a support person or somebody that's helping them through the process. Sometimes their case is so uncontested that both spouses would like to come to the divorce consult. In Georgia, this simply isn't permitted. Georgia ethical guidelines set forth by the Georgia Bar Association mean that a Georgia attorney can only have one client. That means that we can only represent the interests and give advice to one client. When you bring your other spouse to the divorce consult, things can get confusing. If we're rendering legal advice, we're doing it in front of the other party to the case, which is simply not permitted. So even if your case is completely uncontested, it is not permitted for you to bring your other spouse or a different party in the same action to your attorney consult. Other support people, family members, your best friend, you may also want to bring to your consult, but we don't recommend this. When you meet with just you and your attorney, you have attorney-client privilege, and that means that your attorney nor you can be compelled to talk about any of the communications or legal advice given during these conversations. When you extend your consult to bring in a third party, no matter how helpful they may be to the situation, it destroys the attorney-client privilege that you might have between you and your attorney. And you could be asked to disclose those contents of those communications and appointments in the future. We like to err on the side of caution and not even have that become an issue in any of our cases. So if you intend to bring another person to your consult, please make sure you let us know first and ask if it's okay. Sometimes we meet with you first, go over all the different things that we need to in your case, and then perhaps bring in a support person to answer some questions for them or have you ask some questions with them present. If you're looking at bringing somebody else to your consult, best not to do so, but if you need to, ask us first and we'll figure out a way to work together.